Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.9% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.2% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 2.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair dove 1.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Global stocks and Wall Street futures sank after higher US inflation stoked expectations of more rate hikes that investors worry will chill economic growth. London and Frankfurt opened lower. Celsius Network filed for bankruptcy protection after a crypto crash that decimated the value of digital currencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. The company said most accounts will continue to be paused until further notice. The euro plunged below parity to a 20-year low as concerns over an energy crisis and political turmoil in Italy dented demand for the single currency, while the US dollar was boosted by expectations of aggressive Federal Reserve rate hikes.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The Eurozone's trade balance at 0900 hours GMT. Finland's gross domestic product at 0500 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT. The US retail sales at 1230 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.